What's up, J Squad? Back with another video, and today is Friday, so I didn't vlog yesterday. And the reason I didn't vlog yesterday is it too dark? I'm gonna have to look at this. And the reason that I didn't vlog yesterday is because we were actually going to Rhode Island. Yes, we are now in Rhode Island. I'm happy. Basically, all my dad's family lives here, and I love my dad's family. I also love my mom's family. And yeah, so we're at the park right now, and I'm trying to get a vlog in, cause actually when we go back home, me, my aunt, and Jaden will go into the movies to see the new Madea movie, and that's actually the reason why I'm here. So there's my aunt right there with her dog, and actually, you already see the title of this vlog. I'm gonna be racing my aunt's dog. Ain't that right, Nick?
What's that?
I'm gonna be racing your dog.
Huh?
Be racing your dog.
You're racing my dog or you're raising?
Racing.
Oh, you are? Oh, racing, yeah.
I'm gonna race him, and I'm gonna beat him.
Yeah, right.
I'm confident.
Oh, he went in that car.
My boy.
We good now? Jaden, you're gonna film it, right?
That is, though, that left there. I don't want.
I'll go see it. Oh yeah, he
Say
did.
that, as long as there's nobody around there, I just don't want anybody.
Somebody's coming in.
Well, yeah, that I don't care about. I just want to make sure they weren't over here.
No, they're turning around.
No, I just want to make sure there's no other dogs like right here.
Time to do my front.
Jaden, you gonna film me racing him?
Ready?
Wait, whoa.
Once I let him go, he's gone. I can't hold him.
Okay.
Can't do both.
Jaden, come here. Jaden, come here. Film it. Film it. It's upside down. It's this way. How do you do it? Ready? Yes, you know how to film. Ready?
Your camera is dark.
Philo, over here. Get in here. Let's go. Come here, baby.
Now we race.
Come here, Bob. Come here.
I fell.
No, it's cold.
Yeah.
Ah!
Ow.
Can you see me, or is it too dark?
I know it was here.
Like, can you see me a little bit?
No.
Come here. Come here, Philo. Philo, come.
We're gonna race.
Philo,
Well,
come.
film me real quick, Jaden, so I can do my outro.
Philo, come here.
Film me real quick so I can do my outro. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Subscribe. Drop a like on this video.
Ooh, Nikki.
And comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, just go.